Alright guys, this is it.
Sí quemó, sí quemó.
Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. For today's video, we got a special one because I got two special guests here with me. We got...
What's up? Yo, y'all know who it is. I can now tell me y'all famous mom, baby.
Oh, baby, Adriana Estrada.
Yo, this is a collab I never saw coming, but they both came.
From LA, baby, South Central. What's up?
Woo,
323.
What a burger, bro.
323 in the hood.
Okay.
I got a challenge for y'all. But
Shit.
I also got a prize for whoever wins.
I love prizes.
I like surprises.
Alright, so I got some in my pocket right here. I want y'all to close your eyes. I'm gonna show the camera first.
Reminds me of my first
1, 2,
kiss
3. CPI.
Alright guys, this is it. I'm gonna put it, actually, you know what? Yeah, let me put it in your hands. No, not yet, not yet. I'm putting it in your hands.
Ya la vio, ya la vio.
Alright, open your eyes, open your eyes.
Hey, no, hell no.
Open your eyes.
No, I'm gonna die, bro.
Oh, what the fuck? What?
Hell, I'm out, bro. Alright, thanks,
Where
bro.
you going? Where you
out,
going?
Let me book my ticket back to LA.
Nah, Alright, so of course, you already know the challenge is gonna be who can go the longest without drinking the bottle of water.
Hell no. Fuck.
And the prize is gonna be you got like 5-10 seconds to grab as many snacks as you want from the garage.
Oh man,
Oh,
this
Lord.
seems like a bad idea, you know.
seems-
Papi, chip chat. I
Nah.
thought you were gonna put something else in here,
Oh
bro.
nah.
Oh, you were for real?
Yeah.
Oh, this is real shit, bro.
I know it can be kind of dangerous eating the whole thing, so I'm not gonna force y'all to eat the whole
What
thing.
about if I just lick it, like?
Nah, I know you gotta take at least a bite.
Can I know the price?
We need some milk, bro. I heard people eat this shit with milk.
Nah, we got the water. Like if you
Oh,
lose if you take the
oh.
sip of water.
I don't even think milk helps.
I could lick
I
it.
think milk helps.
It's already a back signal 2020, so that means it's a fucked up thing to do.
This is expired, bro. Like,
Oh my God, it's black. Look at this.
Black Lives Matter,
Never
bro.
seen it before.
Damn, smell it.
Oh, that
Smell
looks
it?
scary.
You don't
I
like
wanna
spicy
smell
food?
it.
That
or
shit
what?
look like, that shit went to hell. Damn, it smelled like my grandma's toes.
What?
Wait, what?
One time I fell off the bed, cat scared me and I fell on top of her.
What?
Why are you scared?
I'm sweating and I'm not even eating it.
You're not?
He
I
had
mean, I'll
it.
take a.
Yeah, no, we need you.
You
to-
have
What
to
you
take
mean,
a
bro?
bite.
Yeah, how about that? Hey, how about this? We do it if you do it.
Yo,
I'd rather go to 7-Eleven and get it.
For real, for real.
I gotta do it. Yeah, I don't. Didn't I tell him?
Oh, you don't eat chili?
Why?
Why?
he got his.
Sorry,
appendix
guys, I'm
next.
exposed.
Damn, alright, get out of here.
Alright, now, so we got both of you guys.
Oh, I don't know.
So I already lost the prize.
Oh,
I lost the
oh.
prize.
Ay, Jaime!
Bruh.
Hey,
Hey, I forgot.
I'll still eat it though.
5-second rule.
5-second rule.
Alright, Juan, so it's just me and you. So what we're doing, like, I'm not trying to eat the whole chip either, cause.
I'm not gonna eat the whole chip. Or maybe like
Alright,
just like
get a little bite
maybe
then.
just like something small, bro.
Bite.
Like a peck.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
Like a little peck shit, bro. Maybe even crumbs, you know.
I'm good. Shit, I'd rather eat this.
Brother, chocolate.
So this is really hot.
I already got a treat.
Hey, that's spicy chocolate too.
Nah, bullshit.
I gotta read the packet first and shit. You should not experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or extending nausea. What, bro? Shit.
Alright, on 5. You ready?
Oh, and then I'm gonna say the deal. What the hell?
Here you go,
I'm
5,
gonna make sure to eat out my teeth and shit so I don't taste my taste buds.
4,
Fuck,
3,
I'm scared.
2, 1.
Go, baby, sin miedo al éxito.
Sí quemó, sí quemó.
You sting like a bee.
Oh my
I
God.
feel like I'm nervous.
No quema.
Oh, it tastes like shit.
No, there's no way somebody can eat the whole thing.
Really? Is that hot?
Yeah.
Huh?
But Gilbert, come
Look
here.
at it. Look, zoom in his face. Try not to cry, bro. He's trying.
Alright, try this shit.
What is that? It's not spicy. It's spicy or not?
Yes, it is.
3,
3, 2, 1.
Let's go, baby.
Suck a dick.
Oh my god.
Go.
He's getting back.
Take that too. Take that too. Take that too. Oh my god.
Hola.
No, que maca.
Sí que me cook.
It's not spicy at all. Like, I can handle spicy stuff, guys, so.
Baby, are you okay?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
What happened to him?
I'm dying.
It's dying. No.
Oh no, but I can't fucking hear.
Hold on.
You can't.
Look
You
at
want
his
some water?
Huh?
Are you a quitter? You want to do some water?
Red. Look
Nah.
at his ears red.
Look,
Yeah,
he's
he's
sweating.
What the
Cause it's
fuck?
hot. Look at my fingers, you're
What
black.
about Juanito? Oh, he's
I
sweating.
took a bite and
I
shit,
see
bro.
a
I'm
burger,
sweating.
bro.
Hold on.
Nah.
Hold on. There's a punishment for the loser. How about that?
I took
Oh,
a small bite.
yes.
Yeah, punishment for the loser. What do you want the punishment to be, bro?
You gotta bite it again.
They got good legs.
Juan don't even feel it. He took a little baby bite.
Not even, it wasn't a baby bite. It was like, it was because I was a baby bite because I swallowed the whole thing.
Like, fuck it, I just take it in like that, right? Ooh, okay, yeah.
Damn.
Hi, baby.
Oh shit, alright.
The loser
give it
has
to
to
Juan.
drink the
Yeah, we
water.
give it to Juan. You the
Give it
winner.
to Juan.
Yeah, we gotta give him a round of applause. Yeah. Come on, Juan. Yeah.
How the fuck did he win if he took the smallest bite?
None of y'all
I
won.
was there,
swallowed
I
that
saw
shit.
everything.
I swallowed the whole thing, bro. Like, you guys saw, I was like,
Sorry, bro. Yeah,
Damn, you must be the Flash, because I didn't see that.
maybe I am, but you know.
So it wasn't spicy, you said?
Nah, it wasn't spicy. Last time we did a
Shut
challenge
up.
with the spicy ramen noodles.
He said, shut up.
No, who won?
I still think it's cap.
No,
Is
you
it
guys
fair
do
to
it.
have
You
two
guys do
winners?
this challenge with me.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm a sore loser too, so there's 2 losers today. Sorry. Well, at least they tried it. We gotta give them props. For sure.
Alright, so here's your blindfolds. It's clean, by the way. Don't
No,
worry.
but
Right
you
in.
can see through it.
No, you can just close your eyes.
But I just always had my mom. I was a special one, so she would be like, "Mira, mijo, te hice la comida sin chile for you, especially for you."
Oh.
That's how she did it my whole life, and now
My
I'm
mom
a
would
simp.
never.
Now I'm a simp. Now I can't eat chile.
You can't even eat like hot Cheetos.
Hey, girls laugh at me. Are you recording?
Exposed.
You're telling your life story over
Exposed.
here.
Exposed.
Hey, someone's drinking water
Hey,
though.
Hey, another chip, baby.
said somebody
Another
died.
chip, baby. Another chip, baby.
I'm already over.
I saw how you got.
It was pretty spicy, I'm not gonna lie.
Do you think I can handle it?
Yeah.
Whoa! That's the second time today. Do I have bad luck?
This small?
Yeah, try it.
Is this how big you ate it?
Nah, that was bigger. That's fine though.
Okay.
Alright, go.
I got it in my nose.
Eat it.
Oh shit.
I'm telling you. Imagine eating the whole thing.
Yeah, that's hot.
I know. See you in the restroom later.
I think I breathed into it.
Go get some water. Come on, go get some water. Oh, y'all won something already?
I won. This is my prize for not taking the chip.
Alright, Juan, let's see your skills.
Oh man.
I'm gonna just put it out there, guys. I got the machine settings on hella easy, so if they don't win something, I mean, they just suck.
Oh, there you go.
That's funny.
You okay, mama?
It's just like on this side in the back.
Yeah, it's like in the back of your throat right
It
here.
stings.
Guys, that pepper was hot.
This is about to be like my third refill on water.
To the garage. Alright, so we got the winner right here. So you know what the drill is, right? You got, here, take this. You
Can't
see nothing. So you already know what's behind you. Whole shelf full of snacks. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. That's fair, right? 10 seconds.
Yes.
I'm not trying. That's a lot. 10 seconds is. Alright, we can do 15. We can do 15.
Hey, wait, whoa, what?
15. Just go slow. Go slow.
Where's the
Alright.
timer at?
I'll put it on the screen. So, alright, here you go on 3.
Count it down, count it down.
Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Game
1. Go, 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 go. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Take the whole box. Take the whole box. 3, 1.
It was hard to see.
I should have given him more time. You can lick.
Hey,
I did.
our time was
What you
spinning.
got? What you got? What you got?
Oh, we got some Snapple.
Some Snapples, some Skittles.
And some Skittles.
Ooh.
Beef jerky and shit.
Hell yeah.
Alright, damage not too bad.
Came
Alright.
up, came up.
He didn't hurt the bank. That's good. I know Gilbert's gonna go for everything. You ready?
Yeah.
That's why I gave him a small box.
Here we go. You got
Small
15.
box, baby. Small box, baby.
You got 15 seconds. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 15.
Baby, get that.
14.
Yes. Yes.
Why is
Get
he going for
those.
those?
Yes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, alright, alright.
Done, you're done.
Alright.
Oh,
Yo, you were
shit.
going for all the rare
That's
stuff.
what Adrian told me to go for. Oh.
Alright, show us what you got.
I got Cheez-It,
Some Cheez-Its.
Reese's,
Reese's.
Reese's, Nutella. Hold on, wait a minute.
3 of those.
One celery.
That doesn't count.
Damn, let me see. So we won?
Yeah, we won.
We won?
Yeah. Hey, where you going? Come back. Hey.
I don't get it. They're my right home, bro.
Hey, that shit's hard.
Yeah, right?
Really?
Be like,
Yeah.
Worse.
be like, that's what I saw in an hour.
That was clean. I
Hey, I
gave,
got you one of these too, bro.
huh?
What you been wanting?
Aww.
Aww.
That bromance.
Fuck yeah. Guys, he's been eyeballing those Oreo brownies.
This is my price.
Oh, we could eat them, right?
¿Quieres lechita?
Man, why you got a whole variety in that bitch?
Ay, no. El otro.
12 grams of protein, baby.
Or like, alright, video's over, give me the stuff back.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. Again, shout out to Juan, shout out to Adrian, shout out to Gilbert. How was the chip, Adrian?
It was lit.
Boy.
It was hot.
It was alright.
But again, hope you guys enjoyed. If y'all did, go down below, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already.
Subscribe.
Check out their channels. Anything I want to say?
I'm single.
Well, there he goes again.
Alright, it's alright.
I was just kidding.
Hey, you're right, left. Alright, peace out.
Ah, you should have chased him, bro.